In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sticker using Procreate. So I have an image. I want to make it to be sticker. The first thing is to duplicate this layer. Click one of them. Choose alpha lock. And choose white color. Go back to this layer. Choose fill layer. And then uncheck alpha lock. Then there are two ways to make a sticker. One is Gaussian blur, and the other I'm going to show you the second method. What you can do is to click the icon next to the wrench, choose Gaussian blur. Click your image and drag it to the right. And choose the selection button and make sure you choose automatic and then drag it again. And this is pretty much done. Sometimes when you drag it and it becomes a black outline, which actually show the inverse image, and we can do it, just choose invert. Let's go back. I'm going to show you the second method, which I prefer. So instead of using Gaussian blur, let's choose this selection button and just drag directly. And then make sure you choose automatic. And you go to feather and adjust the amount. Just thickness as much as you want. And uncheck the selection button and then check it again. And then drag your picture again. And adjust the size. Here's a little space. We can do is just drag the color directly into it to fill the space. And this is pretty much, it is done. However, there's a problem. So the edge is kind of jagged. There are two ways you can do it. Either you just draw using the model line to redraw the outline to just clean it up. Or you can import this to Canva. I have shown you how to make sticker in Canva in the previous video, which I'm going to link in the description below. And you can just make this borderline a little thinner and then add another layer of outline in Canva. Okay, this is how to make a sticker in Procreate. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.